The Ritz-Carlton Hotel Company is officially opened. On today's show, from the opening ceremony to a first look inside their hotel rooms. Plus, in our lifestyle segment, we encourage little girls to put down the Barbies and pick up some tools. And find out the theme and concept on the Ritz-Carlton Aruba decor and designs. 15 on 15 starts right now. Thanks for joining us. I'm Yentl Lieuw. Today marks the official opening of the Ritz-Carlton Hotel. The five-star property is set to bring the island a different kind of tourism, a more affluent market. We've all seen the quick development of the building itself. Let's take a look inside. Open Doors welcomes you to the Ritz-Carlton Aruba. The official opening ceremony of the property was a very well-attended affair by both local as well international guests. The general manager of the Ritz-Carlton, Prime Minister Mike Amon, Minister of Tourism Amar Odeberg, President of the Ritz-Carlton Hotel Company, Mr. Bill Marriott, along with a few other investors, cut the ribbon on Friday morning, officially marking the opening of the five-star hotel in Aruba. The president of the Ritz-Carlton Hotel Company says the Ritz is a 30-year-old company. In order to maintain their loyal guests, they must expand and add destinations to their portfolio.
For us, it was important that we grow. The Ritz-Carlton is a 30-years-old company, and as we grow, we have to establish other destinations around the world where the global luxury tribe can travel. And, it's interesting as well, when I was starting to look at the booking of the hotel, in about 4 weeks from now, the hotel will be almost sold out. And they will be sold out with luxury customers, not only coming from America, coming from China, Europe, and so on. So, welcome to Aruba, for the Ritz-Carlton. And we look forward to really contributing as well to the economic situation of the island of Aruba.
Executives of the brand says the Ritz-Carlton will increase tourism demand for the island.
First of all, the demand for this island is phenomenal. I mean, it's a great island. It's a great island to place a hotel, and the simple demand alone will fill up a good portion of the hotel. But Ritz-Carlton has a great following of guests. It has loyal clients from all over the world that are looking for new opportunities and new places to go. So on the what we call the transient side, we have new demand that we're seeing that hadn't come to the island before, that was going to our Ritz-Carlton in Grand Cayman, was going to our Ritz-Carlton in Puerto Rico, and we're seeing these same guests now asking and anticipating the opening of this hotel.
The Ritz-Carlton has a travel market of its own, and Aruba has made quite a presence for itself in the Caribbean region. Minister Odeberg says this is an ideal partnership.
The opening of Ritz-Carlton definitely will add to what we have been doing for the last 4 years, especially on the quality of the product that we want to present as Aruba as a destination, and also the service that's being offered here in Aruba. As I mentioned earlier, it's not a matter only of Ritz-Carlton having the great service that they have. It is being part of a destination of which we have been working very hard to put it 2 steps ahead of our competitors. Not meaning Cancun, not meaning Punta Cana, but compare ourselves to those high-end destinations where we can make sure that the whole island is going to be able to give and present the service that we expect that the Ritz-Carlton is going to be giving to our visitors.
The president of the Ritz-Carlton Hotel Company explains that the brand caters to a very small market, which is the luxury market. They are dedicated to the people who are willing and able to spend.
Ritz-Carlton serves the 6%, the top 6% of the luxury global traveler. It's a thin market. We have 88 Ritz-Carlton around the world. One of the things that luxury customer do, first of all, they spend a lot of money, and that's how the hotel was built for them. Large rooms, spa, all the amenity, but at the same time, luxury customers have changed over the years. They used to travel many years ago to acquire possession. And interesting, today they travel for the experience, to know the people, to understand the culture. And we have to create memories who will last a lifetime for them. And certainly because of the memories, they will always come back.
Mr. Hummler says there is one particular aspect of the Ritz-Carlton Hotel Company that makes them 5 stars.
What is success? What is success at Ritz-Carlton? Success is, first, the ladies and gentlemen, the employee of Ritz-Carlton. We have a beautiful building, And I see a lot of beautiful buildings around the world, but our ladies and gentlemen are the heart and the soul of the building. And they have worked very hard. I've been here the last 10 days for all the final training and countdown. Like as I mentioned this morning at the opening, you have worked very hard to become the Ritz, and I say now you are the Ritz. And with Ritz-Carlton, when you serve a very small market, the luxury type, you have to define all your process. What is service, how you serve, and so on. That's what we spend with 85 trainers coming from all around the world. That's how we spend our time to make sure when the hotel opens, they can meet the expectation of our luxury customer.
We will have more on the Ritz-Carlton property coming up later on in the show, where we take you on an inside tour of one of their bedroom suites. For now, let's take a very quick break, take a look to see what is coming up next. Welcome back from the break. If you are just joining us now, we are celebrating a momentous occasion on the island today, and that is the opening of the Ritz-Carlton Hotel Company. 15 on 15 is taking you on an inside look at the new property, and here we are. This is one of the Ritz-Carlton's executive suites. Let's get into your lifestyle news for a second. On a global level, the percentage of females pursuing a career in engineering is extremely low. A toy company called Goldie Box wants to spark little girls into engineering at a young age. The company has developed a set of books and games to disrupt the pink aisle and inspire the future generation of female engineers. So, say goodbye to Barbies and all things pink. Check out this video.
To buy us pink toys, and everything else is for boys, and you can always get us dolls, and we'll grow up like that falls. It's time to change. We deserve to see a range, 'cause all our toys look just the same, and we would like to use our brains. We are all more than princess maids. Girls who build a spaceship, girls that code a new app, girls that grow up knowing that they can engineer that. Girls, that's all we really need is girls to bring us up to speed. And girls, our opportunity is girls. Don't underestimate girls. Girls, 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 girls.
The purpose of the video is to show little girls and inspire them that they can do anything that boys can do, and that includes engineering. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And we will be right back at the Ritz-Carlton property celebrating its grand opening. Stay with us. I am inside the lobby of the new Ritz-Carlton Aruba, and it is a grand occasion today, and of course a very special day and a big day for the tourism sector. Now, earlier on in the show, we spoke to executives of the Ritz-Carlton Hotel brand, as well the Minister of Tourism on the island, to describe for us and to explain for us what the five-star luxury hotel can do for the island. But now, let's take a minute to take a look inside one of their typical suites at the Ritz-Carlton. We will have one of their associates from the Ritz-Carlton Hotel Company describing to us the theme and the concept of the decor of the Ritz-Carlton Aruba, comparing it with the rest of the Caribbean. What you see here is a typical suite at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel Aruba. During the holiday season, an executive room like this one can go up to $1,500 per night. Graham Ben, the area vice president of sales and marketing, explains the color concept, color scheme, and design for the rooms at the Ritz-Carlton Aruba.
Decor and the intent behind the design here was to bring the spectacular outside of Aruba into the guest rooms. So the colors that were chosen match the color of the water and the sky and the sun and the sand that's all around. So you'll see a lot of yellows and teals and turquoise, just spectacular colors in the rooms.
Now that the hotel is constructed and the rooms are furnished, the marketing team will be aggressively promoting Ritz-Carlton Aruba.
Well, the ladies and gentlemen really are at the heart of what we do, and it's how we share the experiences of the destination. And there is nothing better than somebody that's from the destination talking about what they love about the spot. That really makes it exciting. And when the guests leave here and they have a real taste of what Aruba is about, we know they're going to come back forever. And our job in sales and marketing and trying to bring guests here is to experience it for them or give them the opportunity to experience Aruba. So we use a lot of technology, whether it's our wireless environment or our Google Glass marketing. But over the course of the next 3 or 4 months, we've got an expansive marketing campaign which is going to introduce Aruba to a lot of people that might not have had a chance to be here before.
Aruba is known for its friendly people already. What the hotel brand aims to do is to take that one step further and implement that warmth to meet service standards.
Well, I think the brand is a big part of it. I think what we're excited about is offering a heightened level of luxury accommodations into Aruba. But the ladies and gentlemen here are still the biggest selling part of what we do. There's a genuine warmth and culture which is hospitable. And what Ritz-Carlton does is help those ladies and gentlemen be the best in the world. And that's really what we do. We have a very strong service culture, some of the best that's modeled around the world in other industries. So we know that works very well. I think what we will do exceptionally well is looking at new customers and helping leverage those customers that have experienced us in Vienna or in Hong Kong or in San Francisco, give them a chance to come and see what Aruba is all about.
Guests are able to book a room at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel via their website directly. I was able to speak to a few executive members as well as associates from the Ritz-Carlton Hotel chain who tells me that the hotel is known for a loyal market share as well as a loyal following, and they already have a few group bookings for the year 2014, which is in the coming months. This is a good indication as to how well the hotel will do. Now, signing off right here at the brand new 5-star Ritz-Carlton Hotel, I am Yentl Lieuw. That is our show for today. Thank you for joining us. Join us on Monday night at 7:15 p.m. for a brand new edition of the show. Bye for now.